Reena Hyatt is here from Enlighten Laser Cosmetics, and we're talking about the Viveve, right?
Yes, the Viveve treatment.
And what is that treatment?
So the Viveve treatment is a life-changing, non-surgical vaginal rejuvenation treatment. It's amazing. It changes women's lives in that they don't have to worry about peeing at the gym anymore.
Which really can be inconvenient. I mean, that poor girl jump roping right there. What happens next is not delightful.
We don't know. I mean, yeah, definitely not ideal situation. So the Viveve treatment works in such a way that it really does help so many women in so many different ways. So not just working out at the gym, but say like you want to go jump on a trampoline with your children, or you want to go be active and have a hike. A lot of women are experiencing stress urinary incontinence.
What is stress urinary incontinence?
So stress urinary incontinence is going to be the unintentional leakage or loss of urine. And it happens to so many women. They say 35% of all American women experience some form of stress urinary incontinence.
Well, it doesn't have to be women that have had babies. I mean, there could be a lot of reasons why you would have this, and it is very common.
Very common, yes. And like you said, it's not just having children, but it can be that. But having children, aging, all women are going to go through menopause, and with menopause comes vaginal atrophy, and that's where we see a lot of stress urinary incontinence in women.
So how does the treatment help with this issue?
So the treatment is going to use a radio frequency energy, and it's pulsed into the vaginal tissue by way of a treatment tip that's about the size of your thumb. So very non-invasive, and when it's inserted into the vaginal canal, it's pulsing that radio frequency energy, and it has cryogen to cool down the tissue at the same time. So we get a wonderful pain-free treatment that stimulates collagen at a cellular level to grow and rebuild, so it supports your urethra, so you're not leaking urine from that area.
Reena, how many treatments would we need if we want to do this?
You want one. You would just need
it.
one. You just need one. It should be thought of as a maintenance treatment, though, because our bodies will continue to break down collagen. Once we reach our final result, 90 days out from treatment, our bodies will then go to work breaking down that collagen. And at some point, and you will know if you're the patient, when it's time for you to come back. But it should be thought of that way. And it's so wonderful that we can maintain this area of our bodies as women.
It really is. It's such a great area that you need to pay attention to. What is the difference between Viveve and other lasers?
So Viveve is going to be a radio frequency energy, right? So in other vaginal rejuvenation treatments are going to be cutting the tissue, so ablative technology.
Okay.
So it won't be able to penetrate into the cells, other treatments, but this treatment does. And Genevieve, or Viveve, is able to penetrate into the cells for cellular collagen growth 10 times steeper than any other treatment out there on the market is able to even cut or ablate the tissue.
So you're speaking to so many women out there right now. You do also free consultations.
We do, yes. We always offer free consultations. We want women to feel like they have access to the treatment, to all of the information that they need to make that educated decision for themselves. So we always customize each consultation and each treatment for every person. So, and that's where we'll go over pricing, we'll go over their specific needs.
And who performs the treatment?
And who performs the treatment, which is Dr. Molly Mears, female OBGYN. Makes a big difference for a lot of women to have that female expertise in this area. So yeah, we have a female OBGYN.
It really does. How do people contact you, Reena, if they're thinking they need a consultation today?
I know. So call our office, definitely. And you can also look up enlightenlaser.com to reach us that way as well. Come in. We'd love to see you and customize your treatment for you.
Life-changing for women out there.
It really is, yes. And we're offering a discount this month, too, 20% off.
All right, we're going to put all the information on our website. Thank you so much, Reena.
Thanks for having me.
Brian, what's